Welcome back to Nature Nurtures. Today we will discuss the right time to consume chia seeds for maximum benefits. Chia seeds, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, protein, zinc, iron, and antioxidants, promote hair growth. Consuming them in the morning boosts metabolism and hydration, while nighttime intake supports natural repair and better nutrient absorption. Both timings offer unique benefits for healthy, strong hair. Chia seeds have gained immense popularity in recent years due to their incredible health benefits. Packed with nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, antioxidants, and minerals such as calcium and magnesium, they are considered a superfood. Among the many benefits they offer, promoting hair growth is one of the most sought after. But when should you consume chia seeds, morning or night, for maximum hair growth? Let's figure out both the options, understand when exactly you should incorporate chia seeds into your diet to get the most out of them for healthy, strong, and enviable hair. Before delving into the timing of consumption, it's important to understand how chia seeds contribute to hair growth. Chia seeds are nutrient-dense, offering omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are fairly rich in alpha-linolenic acid, ALA, an omega-3 fatty acid that helps nourish hair follicles, reduce inflammation, and promote healthy hair growth. Omega-3s are known to improve scalp circulation, which enhances the delivery of nutrients to the hair follicles. Iron deficiency can lead to hair thinning and loss, and chia seeds contain a good amount of iron to support overall hair health. Antioxidants. Chia seeds are rich in antioxidants, such as flavonoids and polyphenols, which protect hair follicles from oxidative damage and prevent premature hair aging or loss. Fiber and hydration. The high fiber content in chia seeds absorbs water, helping maintain scalp hydration and overall hair moisture, which is crucial for preventing dryness and breakage. Morning consumption of chia seeds for hair growth. Consuming chia seeds in the morning offers a variety of benefits that can directly contribute to healthy hair growth, boosts metabolism and energy. Eating chia seeds in the morning can provide a sustained release of energy throughout the day, as they are high in fiber and healthy fats. This boost in energy levels can help you stay active and improve blood circulation to the scalp, which is vital for hair health. A well-functioning metabolism also ensures that nutrients from food are absorbed efficiently, helping your hair follicles receive the nourishment they need to grow strong and healthy. Prevents midday cravings. Chia seeds are known for their ability to keep you full for longer due to their high fiber content. By eating them in the morning, you can reduce the chances of snacking on unhealthy foods throughout the day, which can negatively affect overall health and hair growth. This helps maintain a balanced, nutritious diet, ensuring your hair gets the proper nutrients. Promotes hydration. Chia seeds absorb water and expand, which helps maintain hydration. Hydration is key for hair growth because a hydrated scalp encourages healthy hair production. Consuming chia seeds with water or in smoothies in the morning helps you start the day hydrated, supporting both scalp and overall health. Easy to incorporate into breakfast. Chia seeds can be easily added to your morning routine. You can include them in smoothies, overnight oats, chia puddings, or sprinkled on top of yogurt and fruit. This makes them convenient to consume as part of a healthy breakfast that promotes long-lasting energy and hair health. Night consumption of chia seeds for hair growth. Consuming chia seeds at night also has benefits that can help maximize hair growth while you sleep. Here's why nighttime consumption can be beneficial. Regeneration while you sleep. The body goes into repair mode at night, regenerating cells, tissues, and muscles. Consuming chia seeds in the evening ensures that the nutrients they provide, such as protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidants, are available to support your body's natural repair process. As your body focuses on recovery during sleep, the nourishing compounds in chia seeds can aid in the regeneration of healthy hair cells and promote hair growth while you rest. Improve digestion and nutrient absorption. Since chia seeds are high in fiber, consuming them at night helps support digestion overnight. This ensures your body is able to absorb the nutrients they offer efficiently. A well-balanced digestive system helps in the proper absorption of vitamins and minerals needed for hair health. Supports better sleep. Chia seeds contain magnesium, which is known for its calming properties and ability to support better sleep. A good night's sleep is essential for hair health, as it allows for the optimal functioning of the body's restorative processes. By consuming chia seeds before bed, you may improve your overall sleep quality, further benefiting hair growth. Hydration for scalp health. The chia seeds' ability to absorb water and maintain hydration can be particularly beneficial when consumed at night. By soaking in water, chia seeds provide hydration that helps keep your scalp moisturized, preventing dryness and flakiness that could hinder hair growth. Now you know the benefits of consuming them both times. You might be wondering, which is better for hair growth, morning or night? Ultimately, both morning and night consumption of chia seeds offer unique advantages when it comes to supporting hair growth. However, here's a general recommendation. Morning consumption. If you're looking for an energy boost, better metabolism, and an easy addition to your morning routine, consuming chia seeds in the morning is a great option. The sustained release of nutrients throughout the day ensures that your hair follicles remain nourished, and the hydration helps maintain a healthy scalp. Night consumption. If you want to leverage your body's natural repair process during sleep and maximize nutrient absorption, consuming chia seeds at night might be ideal. The calming and digestive benefits of chia seeds can also enhance your overall well-being, indirectly supporting hair health. Before knowing how to include chia seeds in your daily diet, kindly subscribe the channel if you are liking it for more informative videos for your health. Chia seeds are incredibly versatile and can easily be incorporated into your diet. You can sprinkle them on top of yogurt, oatmeal, or salads for a nutritious boost, or blend them into smoothies for added texture and health benefits. Another popular way is to mix chia seeds into water or juice, allowing them to expand and create a gel-like consistency, which can be consumed as a hydrating drink. For a quick and delicious snack, chia pudding made by soaking chia seeds in milk or plant-based alternatives overnight is an excellent option. Whether sprinkled, blended, or soaked, chia seeds are an easy addition to meals for a boost of fiber, omega-3s, and antioxidants. Whether you consume chia seeds in the morning to fuel your day with energy and hydration, or at night to support your body's natural regeneration process, including chia seeds in your diet will certainly benefit your hair health. Try consuming chia seeds for hair and let me know in the comments how they affected your hair growth. Stay healthy, stay happy. See you in the next video.